can't believe this. I can't tell you anything. Every time I tell you something, everybody else knows about it. No, mad.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back. So today I've got some exciting news, got an exciting video. I actually ordered a new Michael Myers mask, and I'm going to do a little unboxing and a little quick review and reveal for you guys. It is actually a rehaul of the Tots Boogeyman, and this is one of the better masks I've seen. So, yeah. Ready? Let's do this thing. So a little note about the Boogeyman from Tots real quick is that it's actually got a direct lineage to the original 75 Kirk mold that was used in the original Halloween movie. There was a Boogeyman and the Shat, or basically what they called the Shat or the Kirk from Tots, and I think they discontinued the Kirk. It's really hard to get, and the Boogeyman I think you can still get, but they both got direct lineages as far as mold wise to the original Kirk mask that was used in the first one. They've got a new 78 now that has it's basically sculpted from the ground up, and it was basically made to look like the Nick Castle stretch when he wore, because his head was bigger. And whereas the Boogeyman is going to be a little bit more accurate to what it looked like in the closet scene, or whoever wore the mask when it wasn't Nick Castle. But these are the unstretched versions, and these have the most style. It's based on the Night Owl Psycho mold, and then the Creep, I think, would be the Night Owl production version of the Kirk, or the Shat is what they call that one. But anyway, yeah, this is the Boogeyman. This is based off the Psycho mold and direct lineage. Let's open this bad boy and let's see what it looks like here. This is actually my first time seeing it here. All right. Holy cow. Wow. Guys. This is absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. This guy, Michael Golden, got it off of him from eBay. Absolutely phenomenal work. I don't know how long he's been doing this exactly, but seriously, one of the best looking conversions, rehauls of the Boogeyman that I have ever seen. And and for, like I said, the price of a Boogeyman, and it's like $60 from Tots if you can find it, or maybe less than $100. If you can find somebody to spend just a couple hundred more and get this, which I just I cut out that he had one for sale on eBay. Totally worth it. Great price. This is amazing work, man. I want to give a shout out to Michael Golden again for this. This is absolutely incredible. I have been looking forward to this for a few days now. I'll kind of get up there a little bit closer so you guys can see. Just an amazing side profile here. And you'll have to excuse me, guys. I'm not used to doing unboxing videos. If I suck at it, I'm sorry, but this is absolutely incredible. I just wanted to show this off and then give this guy some attention, because you want to talk about amazing, right? So I guess this is in between, from what I understand, this is in between the Tots 78 size and then like the 18, the 2018 Tots mask. So it's going to be a bit bigger than that. So those with a little bit bigger heads like mine, this should hopefully fit. But yeah, absolutely incredible. I'm super happy with this. He's actually got some more up. I think one of them sold, another one sold, but he had a couple 78s that looked amazing as well. And you know, so if you want that bigger mask or that built-in castle stretch for display, totally worth it. If you got a bigger head, totally worth it. If you're looking for something a little bit more screen accurate, or at least accurate to what the mask looks like outside of the castle stretch, this is the way to go. But man, keep an eye out for him and his work. He is absolutely amazing. I think his username's like Mitch Gold something on eBay. But yeah, Michael Golden, thank you, buddy. Really appreciate this. And guys, you need to check this out. This is seriously awesome. So let's do it. Let's try this bad boy on. All right, guys. Well, obviously it looks good, fits good. I actually got a little bit of a castle stretch going on when it fit me. It fits me perfectly. It is smaller than the 78, and it's actually really, really comfortable. But yeah, I mean, this thing is legit. I mean, for real. It, like I said, you get a little bit of a castle stretch. When I wear it anyway, it looks good in the lighting. It looks good on or off. It kind of has, it's kind of that perfect in between, you know, like it kind of has a little bit of a Halloween 2 thing going on, and the first one, if you know, if it's on the right head and you got the right hairstyle. But yeah, no, this is absolutely amazing. I am super happy to have like a legit rehauled mask that looks to be at least like looks to be accurate to the movie and what was used in the original. And yeah, this is, guys, I can't stress enough, this is Michael Golden. Dude, you are amazing. And yeah, this, I had to put a hat on because I got a little bit of mask hair going on. Anyway, I've already made the video longer than I probably needed to, so I'll go ahead and wrap it up. But yeah, guys, check him out if you get a chance to get any of his work. Please support him. He is, I don't know how long he's been doing it, but he is clearly one of the better ones, especially as far as rehauling the Boogeyman. I haven't seen a lot of the Tots Boogeyman out there that I've just absolutely loved the rehauls on, and this is absolutely one of them. So yeah, I know a lot of hard work went into this, and probably a lot of time. So I appreciate this more than you'll ever know. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this and his work. And we'll see you all next time. Peace.